Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking prerequisites. Pick platform and stack because that shapes every decision. Once chosen, create a repository and initialize CI to catch errors early. It saves hours. Next, scaffold the core UI, toolbar, canvas, image loader so you have tangible screens to iterate on. While building, add simple state management and a mock image. This way you start with a working loop. Load, display, edit, then expand features confidently. Now you implement the app's core, image transforms and color controls. Start with crop, rotate, and resize. Add aspect ratio presets like 16:9 and 1 for quick editing. Then build color adjustments, exposure, contrast, saturation with live previews because users expect instant feedback. Once done, layer support and a non-destructive history let users experiment safely. Make undo/redo reliable and fast. Also, optimize performance by batching pixel ops and using GPU acceleration where possible. Finish by polishing export and UX flows. Implement JPEG, PNG, WebP exports with a quality slider, and include metadata options. Add autosave and onboarding tips so users don't lose work, and run profiling to remove bottlenecks before release. Make sure permissions and file paths are robust across platforms. If things break, first clear cache and reproduce the failure. Then check memory leaks and validate each stage of the image pipeline to pinpoint where data or transforms diverge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.